This is the Cubot C3 smartwatch. It's certainly a looker, but for just $40, they had to cut some corners somewhere, right? Well, let's find out, shall we? Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Review Clue. Before we get into today's video though, I do just want to say a big thank you to Cubot for sending this out to me for free for review. They sent this out to me, but it does not affect my opinions on this device in any way, shape or form. And of course, if this is the first time that you're seeing my face on your screen, then one, lucky you, and two, go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload. Anyway, let's get right into today's video where we review the Cubot C3 smartwatch. Let's go. In terms of packaging and what you get for your money, I'm really impressed here. The packaging feels premium, bar the rather generic smartwatch logo on the front. And that generalisation seems to continue throughout the rest of this packaging. On the inside we get some straps, we get the watch itself, and that's about it alongside the charger. There's no Cubot branding anywhere to be seen other than on the actual straps. And yes, I said straps, because this contains two straps in the box. This is super rare to see. It's very rare to even see one strap with some of these smartwatches, so it's great that we're getting two here so we can decide on our designs as and when we like. The straps themselves are the normal smartwatch silicone, and they're fine. They work and they feel durable and sweat resistant as well, so great for the workouts and for the gym. They're also super easy to swap out. You just turn the device around and unhook it, pull it out, and then you can hook in brand new ones. They are of course also very generic, which is great because that means that we can go on Amazon and buy third-party ones to really set this thing apart and design it the way we want it, with the colours and brands and styles that we like in a watch strap. Let's actually move on to the watch itself though. From the front, I actually really like this thing. As far as smartwatch designs go, this is probably one of my favourites. It's bold, yet somehow understated and, dare I say, even elegant. We also have that TFT LCD display at a 1.3 inches and a resolution of 240 by 240. The screen itself is rather uninspiring, but the brightness is good enough that you're able to view this thing even in direct sunlight, which is awesome to see. Flipping the watch over, we see the heart rate monitor and the charging pins. The actual charger itself is magnetic and will just stick to the back of the device while charging, which is great because normally I hate fiddling about with these smartwatches as I have to push them into their charging bricks. Speaking of batteries, they claim this to have a 260 mAh battery and for it to last about 5 days of continuous use. This is pretty standard for this style of smartwatch, but it still really floors me that they can get this kind of performance out of a watch when someone like Apple or Google can't even last a day with their smart wearables. I suspect most of that battery life is coming from the operating system itself, so let's take a look at the operating system and some of the apps that we get with this watch. In terms of software on the watch, I went ahead and looked in the settings to find out that this is version 5.0.0. Of what OS, I couldn't tell you. It simply doesn't say anywhere. Looking at its design, you can see that it is a clear rip-off of the Wear OS, Google style of operating system, which is fine, but I find it rather uninspired and honestly pretty bland. I kind of wish that they'd done their own thing here because I think though imitation is great in many cases, here they could have done so much more with something more custom and bespoke towards this watch. Tapping the top button powers the screen on and off and shows you that watch face. There are 5 to choose from and they all would look pretty nice, each with a slightly different style to suit you best. Unfortunately, there isn't a way to use your own images as a watch face here, but with a resolution of 240 by 240, those photos wouldn't look any good anyway, so I don't really think you're missing out on much here. So what sort of apps do you get? Well, there are quite a few. If you tap that bottom button, it takes you to basically the app drawer. From here, we can see that this has sports, steps, sleep, heart rate, notification, alarms, stopwatch, countdown, music, find phone, photograph, and most oddly of all, female. I'm guessing this is something to do with menstruation and tracking that menstruation cycle. And as we can see, this feature is not turned on, which personally I found very funny when I read. But let's go ahead and break down each of these apps and features and decide what's good and what's not. Sport is pretty self-explanatory. This is where you're going to be going to track a wide range of workouts. These workouts include running, walking, rowing, and even the elliptical. The choice here is dizzying. No matter what kind of workouts you're into, this watch can probably track it. During a workout, you'll see the time, calories, and even steps and distance for walking and running. Swiping right will allow you to turn off and pause that workout, whilst swiping left will allow you to control your music. It's really nice to see that the music controls are built straight into a workout here, rather than being in a separate application that I'd have to go back out of and come into. Step is as simple as it comes. It shows you your step count for the day, alongside calories burnt and a nice little animated graph. Sleep is very similar. It's the same, just displaying that sleep data from the night before. HR is, you guessed it, a heart rate monitor. And it's really fiddly to get right. I had to sit this on my arm and really had to push down on the watch face for it to actually register a heart rate. At which point it seemed accurate enough, but was quite a faff to be able to get to that point. Maybe I didn't have it tight enough, but heart rate you could probably give a miss here. Notification is where you go to read all your phone's notifications, all under one roof. The accompanying app lets you choose exactly which apps you want to be notified for, and it gives you the ability to read them, but there is absolutely no way to interact or reply to any of these notifications, which is fine. I personally like that this can read them and we don't have to pick up our phones to read these notifications. I don't want to have to type away on a fiddly little keyboard on a smartphone screen, so being able to just read them here is still a really high advantage. We can take phone calls on this thing too, so when a notification comes through we can choose to accept or deny, but this will accept or deny the call on your phone rather than on the watch itself. There's no speaker and no microphone here, so the actual call will happen through your phone as normal. All the watch and clock functions seem to work well. The actual alarms have to be set in the app. You cannot set them on the watch, which I found rather annoying and slightly inconvenient. But the other actions are all things you'd want to do during a workout, so it's nice to see them here and nice to see them integrated. But they are rather fiddly to use, so again, it's probably not something that I would touch too much. Music will of course let you play and pause tracks, also skipping forwards and backwards, but this will not let you choose music to listen to. You cannot listen to it through the watch. This simply controls your phone's audio by playing and pausing and even changing the volume if you need to. Find Phone will buzz your phone if it's within Bluetooth range to tell you where it is. If it's outside of Bluetooth range, then you're shit out of luck, and this is an absolutely useless feature. Female, as mentioned before, I think is something to do with tracking the menstruation cycle. I'm not bothered by it. It might work for some people. It's something that you can check out in the app. And finally, Photograph lets you take photos, but remotely. This is basically just a remote shutter for your smartphone's camera, which is fine. It's rather slow to actually register that click, but it's there if you ever need to use it. So they claim this thing to be IP67 waterproof. So this can also track swimming, and it's something that I did try. I wore this while I was in the shower and it didn't stop working or anything, so it's nice to see that this is an all-weather device and you can use it while out at the gym, while out at the beach, basically anywhere. And it's more resilient than some of the more expensive smartwatches on the market from the likes of Apple and Google. I found the notifications buzz to be rather powerful. So this does have a vibration motor in it, but it is almost like someone punching your arm to tell you you've got a notification. You most certainly will not miss any notifications on this device, but it is a little too much, I feel. So overall, what do I think of this device? Well, as a timepiece, I actually quite like it. I think this thing looks modern and stylish, and I probably would continue to wear it. But I think overall the watch is let down by a slow, clunky, and rather unoptimized operating system which just is missing so many core features that I come to find and believe are necessary in a smartwatch platform. If you don't want to spend a ton of money on the best and brightest smartwatches on the market like the Apple Watch Series 6 or any of the Wear OS devices, then this might be a good starting point for you. It's great for tracking steps, it's great for tracking workouts, and as a timepiece, I think it looks great. Anyway guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of this watch. Do you like it? Did you not? Did you enjoy this video? Of course, if you did, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, all of that jazz, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios. So, while editing this, I noticed that I kind of skimmed over the most important part of a smartwatch, and that is the app. Like the accompanying app to work with this smartwatch. The app itself is generic, and this seems to be a running theme for this watch. The whole thing has been very generic so far. The app itself, though fine for the login process, I would probably give this a burner email or a burner phone number because I don't trust these sorts of apps. But once you've logged in, pairing the watch is really simple. You just scan the QR code on the screen and it's paired, and that's pretty much it. Any data that you take on this watch, be that a run or a walk or any kind of exercise, sleep, steps, that will all be synced to the app and you can view that there as well. But the app is simply just too generic and actually quite awkward to use. The settings are there so you can usefully change which notifications you see and that kind of thing. But overall, the app was not a great experience, and I really wish that they'd chosen something more bespoke here that made a little bit more sense. The app was ugly, and when it did sync, it was slow. So yeah, from an app experience standpoint, maybe give this thing a miss. But personally, I very rarely tend to use companion apps for watches. I just use the watch itself. I don't need to collate all this data somewhere. It doesn't matter too much to me that I'm not seeing all of this data all in one place. So if you're not bothered by the companion app, this is still a very compelling buy. If the companion app and data collection is something that's important to you, this certainly is not the device for you.